Alright, cool. I want to get this brushless outrunner motor in pinky today. So let's see what we can do here. Let that sit right there for a moment, and then we'll take this cover off the back. Let's see. Get this cover off the back of this guy here. And off the transmission here. Shouldn't be too bad. I think it's just got 2 screws. I've been changing out a lot of my motors lately to these outrunner motors. I mean, I love these brushless outrunner motors. Man, they're awesome. They are super awesome. You combine that with the little ESCs that they come with. Well, not really come with, but you can get for them. And they make great crawler motors and ESC combos. Got a real nice crawler brake and everything. All right, so this should just come off. I just took the old motor off not that long ago. This should just pop, yeah, should just pop off. All right, excuse me for a moment. Just had to go grab a towel from my fingers. Okay, so this shouldn't be too bad, I don't think, to get this in here. Let me see. Dun, dun, dun. We're gonna want to go something like that. I didn't put the pinion gear on yet because I don't know that I could get the pinion gear. If I could put the pinion gear on first and go through there. No, absolutely not. So I gotta install the motor first and then the pinion gear. So let's see. I got my screws over here for the motor. And look how small that is. I love how tiny they are in there. They're so cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'll be right back. I gotta get a light for that. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to get a light so I can see what I'm doing here inside there. Hope that'll hang out there. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see, I just need that to hang out. Get some light going in there. Yeah, there we go. That way I can see what I'm doing inside the transmission. For the screws for the motor. Here, let's see. I'm just trying to line up the holes. And then, let me see. Okay, right there. There we go. Let me try that. Let me try that and see if that'll work. I think it will. We're going to find out. Sometimes, I don't know whether I want to be. I'm watching these wires here too, right here coming out. And then, okay, so I got one screw started. I'll get the second screw started, then I can tighten it down. Then I gotta get the pinion on there. Okay, let's see. I see the bottom one there. And then I'll get the pinion gear on there, and then I can get it adjusted. These usually go in really, really easy. And they are, right now, two going in really easy. Yes, that's kind of tight, not super tight. It's kind of snug where I can still move it around. I gotta get the pinion gear on here, so let's get that on here next. Line up the, I don't know if I can, oh I can. I can turn these outrunner motors are cool, so I can line that up for my pinion gear here. Let's see. Got the screw that goes inside here. Hopefully you can see okay what I'm doing and hear me okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me see if I can get that pinion gear on here. I think I got it backed out far enough. And I do. Okay, good. And I can go kind of get it lined up there. The pinion there, hopefully you can see it. And then let's see. like to make sure. I like to double check, triple check my stuff here, man. Let me see. Might be overkill, but at least I'll know that it's on here good. Let me see. Not gonna, hopefully not fall off. Okay, so one more time. Here we go. So that's where it needs to be, approximately. Let that sit right there. Tighten this down a little bit. Sounds pretty good. All right, so that's on there. Now what I can do is adjust it in and out. I need to go in a little bit there. I can see that. Maybe as far as I can go with that. And okay. For now, I'll leave that like that. Roll this forward so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I guess I could turn it too so we can see a little better. All right, cool. Now what we'll do is we can tighten up the motor in there, get a nice mesh going there. Let's see. And then, ooh, I like that right there. I kind of do this by feel. And some people put a piece of paper or something in there because you don't want it either too tight or too loose. I don't know, I just kind of go by feel. As long as it's got a little. To me, it feels a little. No, I think it's just about right. I don't want it too tight, like I said, or too loose. Not sure if I have to have the cover on there or something, you know. But I'll probably put the cover back on. Why not? Only 2 screws. Keep debris and rocks from getting in the gears. Alright, so let me see. Ooh, I like that. Just the right amount of play in that. Ooh, and this looks good on the outside here. Yeah, that looks good. Got a little bit of grease on everything, so my fingers are getting more greasy. Oh man, I think that looks good. I love these little motors. Oh man, cool. I think I got just the right amount of play in there. Yeah. Okay, so let me just double check these, make sure they're snug. I don't think they need to be too tight, but tight enough. You don't want them coming loose, that's for sure. Get ready for the Crawlmaster shoot. I don't need my stuff coming loose. Okay, so let me double check the let me check my pinion gear here too. What am I gonna do? Oh, it is right there. It is right there. Right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten that down just a little bit too. Put my light back over here for a minute. Right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten this down, just snug. I guess you could use some blue Loctite on there, but I don't know. I usually don't have any problems with these. I just get them snug. Yeah, nice and snug there. I think it should be good. Keep an eye on them. Yeah, I think I like it, man. Looks good to me. Yeah, looks good to me. One more look on the camera there for everyone. Yeah, there we go. That looks great. I'm gonna have the ESC probably over on that side. Those wires will go across. Still seems good. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we'll get this cover back on. Guess it kind of goes snap back in there. It went in nice, like a glove. All right, cool. That was easy. And then these back, or this, yeah, there's 2 screws back on here. Let's see. These definitely don't need to be too tight. Am I lined up? Yeah, there it goes. These don't have to be super tight. It's just a cover there. On the other side, I think we're set, man. Got a new brushless outrunner motor in pinky. Just a few upgrades before the Callmaster shootout. All right, there we go. Good, man. Check that out. Maybe you can see a little better that way. Yeah, that's cool, man. Very nice. Right inside there. Cool. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.